In this video, we will see how to add students on the portal to give them access to your videos and resources. To begin with, you have to open your dashboard using the URL www.vidyakite.com/classes. This will open up the login page. Here you have to enter your user ID and password and click on login button. So this will open up your dashboard. So this is how your dashboard looked like. On the top, you will have various buttons, the navigation buttons to access the features. Now to add students, you have to click on student button. So this will open up the student registration form, which has the first field as name, student name, the second field as contact number. This is important because this contact number will be used to send OTPs to verify the student identity while logging. The third field is email address. The next two fields, enter total field and enter paid fees, will be used for fees management, and the same will be reflected in the student profile in their app. The last field is select batch, and once the form is filled, you have to press submit. So this is how you will add one student. There is other option too of adding bulk upload, which can be used to add more than one student through the Excel file. So all the above fields you have to fill in the Excel file, and then through this choose file button you have to upload that Excel file. For downloading the Excel file, you have to press download sample link here, the below section. Below this, there is a area where you will find the records of all the students that you have uploaded. So if in future, if you want to change the particulars of any student, or if you want to delete a particular record, you can visit this section. At the right hand side, you will find these two buttons which can be used, the blue one to manage the student particulars and the red one to delete it. Further, this update button can be used to update the fees records. Thank you. At your class, you have to click on batch button on the dashboard. A page will open and it has three sections. Using first section, which is enter new batch or class, you can add a single batch. You have to just type the name of batch and press submit. Then the second option is a bulk upload option, wherein you can upload the class names using the Excel file. And to download the Excel template, you have to click on this link, download sample link. Now the last section is the record section, where you will find all the records of the classes you have uploaded. And at the right hand side, you will have these two buttons which can be used to manage. The blue one button is to manage and the red one button is to delete a particular record. To batch, you can add and manage subject using the subjects button on your dashboard. When you click on it, it will again open up three sections. The first one is enter new subject, wherein you have to add subject by just entering the name of subject and submit button. The second option is of bulk upload, wherein you can upload multiple subjects using the Excel file. And to download the template of that Excel file, you have to click download sample button. And the last section is of records, wherein you will find all the details of subjects that you have uploaded. And at the right hand side of each and every subject record, you will find two buttons, the blue one to manage, I mean to change the subject name, and the red one to delete it. To add videos, you have to click on videos button from your dashboard. The form will open, wherein you have to enter the title of your video, then short description about your video. Then you have to select batch, you have to select subject, and you have to enter the video ID. So our team will guide you how to generate this ID, and then press submit. So once you have submitted, the video will get updated, and below this you will find the record of this video, so the video which you have uploaded, and at the right hand side you will have a button to again delete the video. Add resources, which are the files that you want to share with your students, you have to click on the resource button on your dashboard. It will open up the upload form wherein you have to enter the title of your resource, a short description, you have to select the batch, the subject name to which the particular resource belong or the file belong, then you have to select how to upload it. So there are two options: you can either upload the PDF stored on your computer, or else you can upload the file using the load from URL. So suppose you have stored the particular PDF files in the external sources, and so you can enter the link here and submit. Below this form there is a record of all the resources that you have uploaded, and again at the right hand side it will have two options of add, of manage, and delete a particular resource. We will cover the last three parts of the dashboard, that is feedback button, wherein you will find the records of all the feedbacks submitted by the students. The next one is query button, wherein you will find all the queries submitted by students, and the app overview or the dashboard overview, the important area of the dashboard, wherein you will find a quick summary of the important data. For example, total number of students added, then total number of videos, total resources added, your resource disk size, utilization, the feedbacks, number of feedback, number of queries, and the attendance report, how many students logged in today on the app in this month and in a particular year.